Bismillah. As a woman, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created you to be a source of sakina, tranquility for a man, a source of warmth, love, and happiness in his life. He gave you the gift of being the heartbeat of a home, the calm after the storm, the one who turns walls into comfort and silence into peace. But somewhere along the way, many of us forget that truth. We become everything, a mother, a daughter, a friend, yet lose touch with the most sacred part of who we are. I am Umm Umar, and welcome to Qawarir, where we talk about marriage and motherhood. If you like these topics, subscribe. You'll fit right in, inshallah. Imagine Adam alayhi salam. He has all the luxuries of Jannah, but he desired a woman to fill his life with color. Therefore, one of the deepest, most natural desires Allah placed in every woman is the desire to be admired, to be seen as beautiful, cherished, desired. That's why it's not always easy for women to observe hijab properly. Because inside every woman is the longing to be more beautiful, to express that beauty, to be seen. It is part of your fitrah, your natural design. Then Allah, with His mercy, gave women a halal outlet to practice their fitrah every day. Unfortunately, many women lose that side of themselves after entering motherhood. And that's when their marriage starts suffering. Now, ladies, if you've changed nothing about your looks, not your skin, not your weight, not your clothes, but simply started believing that you're already attractive, you'd notice something miraculous. Your posture changes, your tone softens. You start carrying yourself differently. And that's the kind of beauty that makes a man fall in love again and again. And to beautify yourself, you don't really have to always wear fancy clothes and put makeup on. It is much simpler than that. The beauty is in truly caring for yourself, what you put inside your body, how you radiate health inside out. Do you work out? Do you take care of your skin and your hair? Have you got a self-care routine? That's all going to radiate beauty. If you want your husband to truly cherish you, you must transmit this inner belief. Through your words, your eyes, your gestures, your tone, let him feel this unspoken message from your heart. And the message says, I know I'm attractive and desirable. Any man would feel blessed to have me. But my heart has chosen you. I'm in love with you, and that's why I'll build my life with you. If you truly believe that, and if you transmit that belief, the quality of your relationship with your husband increases multifolds. There will be passion that you deserve to have. There will be stability that your children and household needs. You will feel so much happier living your truth.